Allah! Allah!
Ang problema talaga ng part mo, no? Miguel, kasi flat na flat eh. Talagang umaabot doon sa notas. Narinig mo? Hindi siya umaabot doon sa...
Kasi po yung, yung po yung tinuro ni Sir Monet doon sa last part po yung, we're gonna groove tonight.
Ay, no, it's okay. Hindi yun. Almost in all parts eh. Hirap na hirap doon sa taas. Ito ba ang key mo?
What you can do with my love, alright, alright.
Okay, but,
Oh my God.
Sorry. Monitor na sabi ko. Miguel, okay, yun lang ang problema ko doon. Yung pitch na yun. Taas eh. Parang ang taas yun na. Parang hirap na hirap ka.
Sa dance na to. Sumakot yung dito.
No, I'll tell you something. Hindi ko na napansin masyado yung ano eh. I'll tell you what worked here. What worked is, you had that energy going. You had that... So, ngayon ka lang naririnig ulit. Mas evident ngayon. Kasi siyempre, narinig ko na yung performance niyo. Ang masasabi ko lang, oops, hindi sila masyadong kabit. Okay? But if you noticed, ang ganda ng performance. Performance, I'm not saying yung singing lang. Yung total itsura. And usually that's what really matters in performing this kind of material. Importante yung energy nandun. Hindi kayo nabigay. Hindi ka pwede mag-hold.
May gusto pa sila, Army.
You see yourself, you look good there. You look
happy.
Not only happy, you look, bigay na bigay todo, hindi yun nahihiya. Pangit eh, pagka nanonood ka tapos nahihiya, pati yung audience ang feeling nila nahihiya din sila. Okay? But again, one of the main components is still really singing. So, yun, hindi siya masyadong pamabet. Merong problema dun sa sa taas. Yun lang. What else can you say about it?
It was actually a fun song.
Sa inyo.
Now that we saw it po, because of all the hard work, di ba? Kasi po, kung walang choreography, swak naman po siya.
Nung nag-rehearse kayo, okay, sana walang choreography. Alam nyo, usual yun. Hindi yun. Medyo on the normal na yun, na medyo sasablay-sablay habang nagda-dance.
Grabe po.
Totoo yun. Kahit international performers, ganon. Pero we do not strive for hanggang ganon lang. We strive for something better than that. As a matter of fact, may mga international performers na pagka-dance, nag-lip sync sila. Totoo yun. Totoo yun. Kaya, I just give you an example. When we were I was working with Smoky Mountain in Japan. Pagka nagpa-perform sila live, tapos sumasayaw pa sila, kaya bilib na bilib yung mga tao kasi hindi sila nag-lip sync. Lahat, karamihan doon sa mga kasama nilang mga Japanese boy bands kasi nagtatumbling talaga silang ng dance nila.
Kaya
Lip sync. Lip sync sila. Kasi, first of all, hindi secure masyado mga boses eh. When they try, sila kasi when they try to, pagka nagbubuo sila ng banda nila, pinaka-importante muna to. Yung face, yung build, yung katawan, titilian muna. Yung boses, pwedeng ayusin sa recording. Tapos pagka live, lip sync na lang, maaaring iba. So, medyo madaya. Pero, hindi naman tayo ganun eh. Kilala tayo sa Pilipinas na magagaling kumanta. So, hindi tayo nadadaya. That's it. I'll call you back. I have new materials. I have a new material for you. Paul, I want to hear something. I have a material for you later. Okay? Pwede bang mangolekta ka ng 3 o 4 na manalig? 3 manalig ka na lyrics? Okay? I'm gonna work on that. No, later. After you is Poy. I'm just